mama, anti-social mama. When you come talk like you a blood clot, like you shit can't make party. Go suck out to no mama back. I beg over this. You can't come style me. If you want to do independent now from the 95, you come on blood clot TikTok. You don't beg extra time. Like blood clot Tommy Edie. You move, you push so long go. What about all I said is X-Gang could come and leave the comment. Go suck your mama and stop comment for my team. You see, few people were left in my team, I go defend them with the heart of a blood clot soul. And my team, me I go good on with them. Make me good on with them. You no talk. You no can't talk. Make me good on with my team. Go suck your mama back. I want to tell girl. Everybody is not back. Athena is alone blood clot. Give me out of the box. So anybody else can move for yourself. I want to know. Remember, I'm telling you, say no. You probably can't group up in it, but my platform is bigger than who phone. You can't stress out Switzerland, you know me? X-Gang, some people in the X-Gang I take with business, I tell other gang. I mean, I top chat, say that again. We say, you're looking frowns him out. But I say this from the beginning, and I'm going to say it again. I don't want Chris Vibes in my box. Chris Vibes, I'm telling you something. You know to licky as man to, bro. As man, you know, if man up, bro. Nobody can come give me no lion on this, my gang. Nobody can give me no lion on this, my gang. You idiot. I want to know. Nobody can give me no lion on this, my gang. You're in a box, you don't even want to say. You don't even say, I went Chris Vibes to be tripping, jump out. And when he see me chipping, jump out, when he see me I talk about, say, hey girl, I think I can come this X-Gang. I want to think me a mad somebody. And enough for me, nobody selling out for lion. I want to no boy, no time. I want to no lion, me loyal to my gang. I'm a crew. It's your Chris, Unicorn Queen. I feel your Chris. Now real talk. Not there. No dog. Every time they you know they turn a commentator. Muscle man, me not done with it yet, you know. Muscle man, I know me not done with it yet, you know, Muscle man.
Muscle man did it?
Muscle man must there. More than share live. I may wait to check in now, because I have something to say to Muscle man. Fuck your land. Dog, somebody find on IG, you know.
Yo, me say, yo.
One guy they came there. He must find one big man on Kim.
Me say that Kim.
He must.
If I keep me one man.
No. Tommy Edie, let me tell you this. Tommy Edie, how unpin Tommy Edie? Oh hey. One want to come gang me? A gang no want gang me? A gang no want come gang me and beat me? You come gang me and beat me then. Come beat me. Tommy Edie, step to his side. Everybody else come gang me and beat me then. You come hold me and beat me. Munchie! Come gang me and beat me. Tommy Edie, go over there, sir. Because you're not meant for war. Go over there, sir. Munchie, go over there, sir, to Munchie. You're a poor soul. You're a poor soul. You go over there, sir. You come gang me and beat me then. Rock, I not see you last night, Rock. Jesus Christ. Only come gang me and beat me then. I call you. I say something.
Hello?
Mika, your partner, fuck Iron. I hang up in your ears. Now bad boy, I just feel like in the morning I'm a torment, I drop out of work up, I'll be a trouble can get up. I'm going to send you a blood clot interstellar Monday.
Fuck up everything.
Yeah man. I'm going to send you an interstellar Monday, Mika. If me not generate give you nothing. Monday, me I send you an interstellar. Come on, you go final, you know. See Monday, me corrupt. corrupt.
So, yo. Okay, and most find somebody don't keep them.
Me say, boy, go keep go find one of them whole fire woman there. And the woman just come out me and blood class with the fire what we have yesterday. Bro, you know, I don't feel no way. You know why I not feel no way? The other people them in it can go on now. Cause it was just all about me and Swissy. Cause show them say me and Swissy still can promote this and give people them strength. This, yo, me happy, bro. I am so, like, me pure. You understand? Yeah, so, everybody there say, we there win. World Cup can turn in a many ways, bro. Everybody is getting what they're supposed to get off this World Cup. And I feel so, yo, Dawg, I feel so good to come up with an idea like this, bro. Not because me drop out, me go and bash World Cup or do nothing like that. I am still gonna promote it. Because this when I come up with this, Dawg, and this idea when I bring forth, bro, is a genius idea, bro. You understand? So, bro, we now go make, say how we drop out, bro, we still gonna give it the energy. We still gonna push it. We still gonna say, all right, final. We still gonna bet who I gonna bet. Yeah, bro, it's a big thing, bro. This thing where we keep on TikTok, bro, is not just rare. Bro, we bring 100,000 people together at night time. It's not a little thing for bring 100,000 people together. We are trying to show them say entertainment and things can do and beat mix up. You understand? Beat mix up. You see me? A big deal. Lori, thank you for last night, Lori. I appreciate it. Big up yourself, you know, Lori. Big up. No, but me I say, unpin a comment. You see me? So, me just show you, say, Dawg, last night, bro, last night when World Cup done, I laugh. Believe. Even when me grab a suitcase, and we all cry, and me and Swisley are cry, and World Cup done, and we still there, and me a cry. Me cry out, me yai. Me laugh. Franzi Perry, come off of your man. Hard Perry Bantan, me thing, you know. Boy, Perry, better he can't send me 3 lions when me drop out. But boy, me I tell you this. Perry, you know, say, fuck you, Ian, come over here, come share me. TJ! Me have, in a summer where I come up, me have a football team where me I build a Falmouth. Me I ask if me can get 24 of each jersey, please, off a Sheen. Me know you have a link, you have a discount card. Me check it last night and they say if somebody with a 30% card can get less. So TJ, me go send you money on Cash App and you buy the 30 pair of jersey for me. Because me go build a team, a Falmouth. Yeah, under 13. So me want you order things them for me. You understand? More you order things them for me and more you ship it off Falmouth. And when I reach Jamaica, you bring it come give me. You're good youth. That's rate today now. And this is for all the shit pick them. Every time I talk about TJ, you guys bring up Maya and my baby mother. I never once come over here and said nothing about Maya. I always give Maya her respect. When me I cuss Sheen, I cuss Sheen. I never ever bring up Maya into it. Maya is a beautiful girl. Me and Maya have nothing. Wanna stop going like I'm over here disrespecting the woman. Me and TJ are talk about Sheen. Stop act like me over here I call Maya name. Okay? I show her respect. I never ever disrespect her. Me and her have nothing. I focus on Sheen. Yes, so we not say rare or we not say rare. We not calling woman name. So every time me call, me say TJ, you put Maya picture and me baby mother picture against the two of them together. And say which one better. And the people them start comment and say, we are Sheen warehouse and sitting already and baby mother Ray. Stop it, you know? I never call Maya name. Me and Maya never have nothing. I always say Maya good. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you put on football match?
Yeah, I put on football match and I link TJ because I want 12-12. I want 30-30 jersey.
So we can join?
You can't join under 13.
So I don't have under 13 team we can play to?
You have a team at Brownstown?
Yeah, in our community.
So build a team and forward. See me, Bumbo Clark. Yo, Sheen, come here. Me a build a team of Falmouth. You name X-Gang Strikers. Me know you have a 30% card and a 20% card of Sheen. So here more you do know. More you order 30 jersey for me. And more you order 30 black jersey and 30 red jersey. And more you order them with shorts. I go cash up your money and you use a discount card. Me upgrade from Sheen. How are you there? 2 more? How are you there? How are you there now? A team in there? How are you there now? How are you there now?
How are you, sir? H&M.
How are you there, Biggs?
You don't remember what my call is over there?
H&M.
H&M for fashion.
H&M no bad. Me upgrade for real.
No, same thing.
No man. Sheen shirt them TJ can tell you when you wash them 3 times then gone. H&M shop them when you watch them then go back together. A good material in start by. Me can't cuss him. You upgrade now. Yeah, Sheen you wash Sheen shirt 2 times, me check out. Or 2. So in Ghana H&M now can come like in catchy pre. So in Ghana over H&M now, H&M have good quality when they have sitting. Yeah, you know you're good youth. Me son! Eh? H&M no make jersey, so me have got link cable. I don't know if he ever reach TJ level yet over Sheen because TJ shot more than him over Sheen. So I have got link cable now. Probably able have 5% or 10. Able upon live. Say me can borrow a Sheen account. When there. Boy! Dirty butter! You just sit down and wait for people blood clot. Lucy, you go do video. And you jump out the first round. And you first jump out the World Cup. And you sit down. And you sit down. And you wait for everybody else jump out. You butter.
You can't in trouble, you must do.
Eh?
You can't travel, you.
In trouble, you fuck. You go everybody else go do video. Oi. Me say man jump out and World Cup and book you one ticket. Figure do everybody video. Hey, But I drop out and find a way. Everybody place. Figure do video. Eh? Boy, you know, walk and pray, say you drop out. From the first match. Eh? First match, you drop out, butter. But you walk and you talk about come. Salt me up last night, brother. You see me? You salt me up, bro.